due to privacy things or because you're shy, you don't want to show up in the camera and you want to show up with an avatar on StreamYard. It's easy to set up, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do this fast and easy. Stay there because I'll be back. Hello, Marco Novo here. I've been collaborating with StreamYard for a while and I'm creating this tutorial so you can understand how you can use audio avatars and how you can set them. Okay, before that, please subscribe to the channel, activate the bell, put a like, make a comment, let me know how if this tutorial is helpful. You can send me some more suggestions. Also, you have the link, affiliate link, so you can try StreamYard for a while. So let's do this. First thing you need to do is you should go to the settings and check if the audio avatars they are enabled. So let's do it. Okay, and you can see that the audio avatar it's already there and it's moving, so it's live. So let me show you how your guests can do this as well. Let me get an invitation, copy. Let me open another. So I'm at the studio. Okay, right now the host, what you're seeing, it's the host preview. I'm here, so I need to go here, press the three dots, editor, avatar, send an avatar, and let me find. Here we go. Okay, apply, and I'm ready. But for you, don't forget, if you want to show the avatar, you need to disconnect the camera. And as you can see, let me go back to the studio. And as you can see, both of us with different avatars showing up in the screen. Okay. So let me know if you have any questions, any doubts. Let me know them in the chat box. Also, don't forget you have the link to try StreamYard and you have other affiliate links from my favorite tools. Thank you so much for watching. See you later. Bye bye.